GetCash review. Is GetCashcom legit or a scam? GetCash review. Is GetCashcom legit or a scam? GetCashcom claims to help users earn money quickly through online surveys, tasks and offers. But is it a reliable platform or just another scam taking advantage of people looking to make easy money? Most people get this wrong by assuming that every get-paid online site is legitimate. The surprising truth is that GetCashcom is partially legitimate. Users do report earning small amounts for completing surveys or tasks, but payouts are often minimal and can take a long time to reach the threshold for withdrawal. You won't believe what happens next. Some users experience delayed payments, account issues, or confusing terms that make it hard to cash out. While it's not an outright scam, it's not a fast or guaranteed way to make serious money. Treat it as a side gig rather than a main income source. To use GetCash safely, read all terms carefully, track your tasks, and avoid sharing sensitive financial information beyond the platform's secure payment methods. Realistic expectations are key. Think of it as a way to earn a few extra dollars rather than a full-time income. In conclusion, GetCashcom is partially legitimate. You can earn money, but results are slow and limited. Approach it cautiously, follow the rules, and don't expect huge payouts. It can work as a small side hustle if used responsibly.